This is a 900 watt Makita Plunge router. It is small and compact, weighing only 2.7 kgs. The router has a plunge capacity of 0 to 35 mm, and there is a plunge lock and an adjustable 3-stage depth stop for repetitive depth routing. The comfortable handle grips are rubberized with the on-off trigger built into the grip for ease of activation. The plunge lock and release is accessible without removing your hands from the router grips, thus giving safer control when in use. The router has a 2-meter soft flexible cable, which is also double insulated for added safety. The Collet can accommodate 6.35mm bits, and there is a straight guide for effective straight cuts when chamfering or grooving. The transparent chip deflector prevents cutting chips from being scattered and allows easy visibility on the cutting edge. This router runs at 27,000 RPM under no load, and it draws 900 watts. Overall, I think this is a great router, small and compact and ideal for off-site locations. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to the Builder's YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.